Ayan, tapos na kami guys nagpa-check up. So, nandito na kami sa McDo para pakainin si Yasachi. Yan. Yung number namin, 129. Susunod na siya guys. 129. Next sa serving. Malapit na yung ating you wait, Achi. No, not yet, sir.
129.
Okay, 129 is there. That's it. Give me that. You just sit down. Okay. Oh, 129 is one. 129. Here, our order. Oh. Yeah. Be careful, it's not Yan, bigat. Yan, ating order. So, okay, you remove this one. Ayan. Ito pala yung gamot ni Yasachi, guys. Ayan. Ito pala yung gamot ni Yasachi. Ayan. 4. Tapos na siya nagpa-check up. So, ilagay ko muna dito sa baba. Para mailagay natin yung ating food. Ayan yung ating food, guys. So, ayan, meron tayong large pineapple. And, ay! Sabi ko, walang ice. You wait, and that one is the, Ayan, you wait.